everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am going to be filming my premium unboxing for BoyxCharm for May. Had to think about what month there for a minute. So we'll jump into that in just a second. If you are interested in makeup unboxings, in makeup try-on, lifestyle, fit fashion, please consider subscribing. It would make a huge difference for me. So click the subscribe button. And we're going to go ahead and jump into the BoyxCharm Premium Unboxing for May. So if you're not familiar with BoyxCharm, it is a makeup subscription service, and there's a couple of different tiers. So there's a base box at $25. You get 5 to 6 full-size products. There is the premium, which is what we're going to do, and it is 6 to 7 full-size beauty products for $35. Then there is the Luxe that comes every quarter, and it is $50, and I don't remember exactly how many full-size products you get with that. But definitely a good value for what you're doing, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm super excited because they did include the card this time. Yay, I love when I have the card. So it's actually Mother Nature packed with gloves and love. So definitely trying to be careful as we go through this very unsure time. So let's go ahead and jump right in, check out the products. So the first product that we have is the Too Faced Gold Soleil, or Chocolate Gold Soleil, long-wearing gilded bronzer. Our best-selling Chocolate Soleil bronzer just went gold. Bathe your skin in a long-wearing golden glow. So it's going to be a glowy highlighter. Ooh, let's check this out. Very cute packaging. I do always appreciate Too Faced packaging. Little heart right there. It is, oh, it's a magnetic closure, not a clasp. Ooh, I just almost dropped that. So magnetic closure, very cool. A little bit harder to get it open there, but there's the Gold Soleil. You can see that it does have some gold reflect in it along with the bronzer. Let's go ahead and swatch that. I don't know if you can see that. I usually like Too Faced products, and that actually is a pretty bronzer. It doesn't pull up a whole lot of orange on it, and you can definitely see a sheen. And it does have that chocolate smell, just like all of their chocolate products. So super excited to try that out. So let's jump into the next product. Oh, how cute. A little Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek product in the shade Astro. Super cute little packaging. Let's open this up and see as I break the packaging. So very cute little stick, just like their Hydro Grip sticks or their other cheek blushers, but this is a lip and cheek glow oil. It doesn't smell like anything. I'll twist it up. There's the product right there. And we'll do a little bit of a swatch. Oh, so not very dark. Just a light sheer wash of pink. Definitely a little bit of a glow. Oh, I'm excited to try that. I appreciate that it doesn't have a smell. I love Milk's packaging. I think it is just super simple and cute. And this is that tinted pink packaging as well. So very, very cute. We're going to go ahead and jump to the next product. And it is, ooh, the Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara. I have never tried Kevyn Aucoin before, but I've heard lots of good things about it. So I'm super excited to try this. It is a very pretty gold, just very simple gold packaging here. We'll open that up and check out the wand. Very nice packaging. Oh, that is a serious, nice curved wand, very cool. Very good thing, so when you pull it out, it gets off most of the mascara. So very nice, super excited, definitely a high-end brand, Kevyn Aucoin. Excited to try that. Next is, oh, how cute. This is Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. And Sugar Rush is actually Tarte's brand, or their sister brand kind of thing, in the shade Peony. Let's check this out. I always love Sugar Rush's packaging, and this is no disappointment. Very cute little rose on top in yellow and very light pink shade. It smells like cookie dough and Play-Doh mixed together. Oh, it definitely smells like Play-Doh. Oh, it definitely smells like Play-Doh. So very cute little, but it is nice and creamy. I know you can't see the color at all, but it is very nice, very creamy. Oh, I'm excited to try that on my lips. They have been so dry. So next product is Centella 90 Ampule. Show that. It is by Pure Heals. It is a soothing ampule which contains Centella and aesthetica extract. I know I'm not saying that right. It relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. Well, that's interesting. Huh. Okay. So let's check that out. Very nice little bottle. It's not filled up all the way, so it is quite a ways down. Right there is where the product starts, but still not bad. I love the green packaging on it. Oh, it smells fresh and herbally. Oh yeah. So it's clear so you won't be able to see it, but let's put a little bit on that hand. Oh, it soaks in nice. I like that. So that'll be cool. We'll try that. And since it's an ampule, you use it after, I believe, you cleanse skin, then do your toner, then you would put this on. So very similar to a serum, then you would go in with the rest of your products. So very cool. And then last product that we have is a Baddington brush set. Powder and a contour foundation brush. Oh, so they're very nice. They're nice gold packaging, very thick, a little bit weighty at the end. Not through the whole brush, but at the end, like you would feel a knife when you're cutting kind of thing. Nice and soft bristles. So that's the contour foundation brush. And then this is the powder brush. Nice, big, fluffy powder brush. To me, this is not big enough. But I know a lot of people say that they like a smaller powder brush because it controls exactly where you're putting the product and you can be more specific. I think I would like this for maybe blush or maybe even bronzer. We'll see about that. So nice, very cool. I'm excited, got quite a few makeup products in this box. I do have to say, I am not sure. So I follow BoyxCharm on Instagram. Of course, you get the little sneak peeks or the, oh, you could get this in your premium box or your regular box. And sometimes it's bad when I watch or look at those because then I think, oh, and I get so excited. And then I never get any of those teasers that they show on the thing. So, I don't know, I might have to stop looking at that. Anyways, let's go through the products real quick. The Kevyn Aucoin Expert Mascara was $29. The Too Faced Cosmetic Chocolate Soleil Bronzer was $30. The Milk Makeup, that little Milk Makeup thing, was $15. The Baddington Beauty Brush and Powder Brush, $90. What? That's $45 a brush. What? I mean, they were nice. That is a whole heckin' lot. The Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Balm is $12, and then the Pure Heals Centella 90 Ampule is $28. That actually is not a bad price for an ampule. It says it has a ceramide 3, which helps, the ceramides help strengthen your skin barrier and does help with aging as well. So excited to try that. So I think we end up with about $204 in total for the value of the box, which is great for $35. So super cool. I do definitely think that brush set is overpriced. $90 for 2 brushes. And they're nice brushes, but they're not like, I don't know, they're not, there's some IT brushes for significantly cheaper that are nicer than that. So at any rate, that's my premium box. Please drop me a comment down below. What did y'all get in your premium boxes? What were you looking for? What product are you excited to try? Just drop me a line. Keep in touch. I love staying connected with y'all, so let me know. And we will do the try-on Friday. I do have my Slay Glam box for April that should be arriving, I hope, tomorrow so that I can film it for my Tuesday. So Tuesday we'll do the Slay Glam unboxing. Friday we'll do the try-on for everything. It'll be our Friday Makeup Friday kind of thing. And then we'll go from there. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope y'all are staying safe. Please take care of each other. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.